Okay guys, so I have the plan. So of course we now have still this body here, but we of course need wheels. So add a cube first of all, because we want to make this bottom bit, because that always is very useful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just add a cube and then go in edit mode and select these four faces. And then what we do, press S to scale. Wait, I'm stupid. Press just those four faces, these ones, just those two, and then press S to scale. What the hell? I don't know why it doesn't just scale these faces. Wait, let me do something. Press S to scale. There we go. We don't want it all messed up like this. That's not good. So yeah, let's just scale it down to like here, so it just touches. It just has this like kind of rhythm to it, and then we extrude this, and then we press E to extrude, and then we do the same height, and then we again like scale the face down to like here, just like this, and then we push it to like the middle. We shade auto smooth, and we have to go into the menu, set origin to geometry. So yeah, so it's like this. So it has this like cool pattern to it, like cool thing. Yeah, like that. I'm actually gonna join these two just like this, and then we're gonna click tab. We're gonna click on this one here, and this one here, and this one here, and this and this, just like this. So it's like a pattern, and then we're gonna click on materials, and assign the black one, and get out of edit mode. So we have this kind of material black that looks good. So we're gonna select everything and move it down a bit. Wait, we haven't selected everything in the world. Like everything we have to select, like everything. So yeah, or I could just click A to click and move it down to like maybe here, like this, because the wheels have to be like here around, like. Oh yeah, by the way, if my mic is a bit louder or quieter, don't worry about that. It is just because my mic is a bit different styled, because I different place, because I put it away from me for a second. Now I changed it a bit, but anyway, so it should be good if you can hear me properly. Anyway, so now the wheels. So we've made this part at the bottom. Why? Because this is what it usually looks like on a digger, because then these usually turn, but we don't want it to turn because we're not making it. Well, we can in that sense if we go Command Z and we do go back all the way to the point where I haven't selected all this and I haven't joined it together like that. Why do you think I should do this? Well, I believe that it would look better. So if we can do the same thing we did before, and then we go click this, and this, and this, and this. Like my computer is a bit wiggly woggly. Don't change anything. And go here, and go here, and go here. That's correct. Yes, it is correct. Brilliant. So we've got that, and now what we're gonna do? Yep, plus this, that. We're gonna add that. We're gonna press that, and we're gonna do that, and we're gonna clutch it. Oh my god, I'm clutched. Oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, what we've got. So we've got it that it can press RZ. It rotates like this. You know what I mean? So you can have this top bit. And we press like, yeah, like that. It just doesn't really matter. Anyway, so what I want to do next is I want to join this top bit here. Why? Well, because then we can put geometry to origin, just like this, and then what happens is we can place this down. Well, we want to go into X view, X like this, press shift and move to the side like this, align it up with this, just like this, align it down like this, go to this side, align it like this, just in the middle like this, align this in the middle like this, just like this, and yeah, because this is all good, this is all good, and then go top view and we align it like this. Okay, let me see. Should be correct if I think of it. Yeah, this should be fine. So now when I press here, we go to RZ, we can rotate it like this so that it looks normal still. And press shift Z so it goes back, and yeah. So anyway, next step, now we make the wheels. So because that was just the bit, we want to make a cube first of all again, because we will need to make some stuff. So I extrude it out to the side like this, and I'll extrude but scale it down like this, maybe to the side a bit more, so we can then push it up like this, push it down like this, and yeah, just so we still see it in that sense, just so yeah. Now what we do, we join these two together, join, just like this, set origin to geometry to origin, like that. So yeah, then we still have this bit, and then what we do, we go here, here, and here, and we assign a black color, just like this. So anyway, good enough. Now we can add to the wheels. So what we're going to add first is we are going to add a cube again. Why? Well, because this is what we need for the chain that goes around it. Not a chain, it's not really a chain, but make it around like this thick. Make it around this wide, like this wide, and then this like this, and make it like this about. Doesn't have to be too exact, just so like that. Move it like out just so we can edit it a bit more. Then what we do, we add another color to it. Just give it a simple black, just like this. We're actually going to go down here, click on roughness highest point, because roughness, it has a lot of roughness, you know, and it looks a bit more real. Then click tab. Doesn't really matter if you just do that a little bit. Doesn't matter if you change a tiny bit, it didn't do anything with me. So just extrude it and then press E to extrude, and you can extrude it inwards. You can extrude it like this, you extrude it outwards, you extrude it inwards like this, and then you go outwards, and you extrude it inwards, you extrude it outwards. So you can just do that a couple of times so that it makes like a pattern, kind of like that, like this. This is just good. This is good enough, just so it has a grip. Actually, we're going to move some of the faces, like let's click on C, and then select all the top faces looking up, like all of them, and then extrude them out a little. Well, actually no, don't actually, no. Unselect all of the out ones like that, and then press E to extrude and move it upwards like this. Why? Because then it looks more like it has a proper grip, so it like gets and digs into the ground, because of course if it doesn't dig in the ground it will not run, because it needs to be traveling up big dirt hills, of course. So anyway, so now what we need to do, we need to make the chain, which we have to press then Shift D, and we have to move it over like this. So it doesn't have to be exactly on to the, can be a bit away from it, because it doesn't make a difference. No one sees these little details, and no one should see the little details. Now what we do is just press this button, and then we just go like Z, Command Shift D, and we move it towards like here. Zoom in a bit. This is actually not good at all. Crap. Yeah, I thought let's actually not do that. Anyway, like this, select everything, Shift D, move it over here, move it closer, check, move it like here, and we've got that top bit already. We need the builds to be big, of course. We're actually gonna scale them down a little bit because of how big they are compared to the digger. That's what they don't need to be. We're actually gonna scale them a bit to the side, which you know, like this. And then we're going to press this, and we're going to press Shift D, and we're going to move it up like this. So let's do this. That's good distance. So yeah, it's going to be around like this long, maybe actually a bit longer. It's usually a bit longer than the digger. So you just select this, select that, done. So let's just select like this many, and go Shift D and move them up like this. Just like this. Done. I want it to be like this long because it has to be stable, of course, and if it's not stable it doesn't work, so it's like So anyway, let's select everything again, like this, select everything. And now we press Shift D, and actually no, delete that, psych. That's the wrong number. Anyway, so what we do now, we click on one of these. Well, first we have to make the wheels, because we have to shape it around the wheels. So the wheel will be like this. Then what we press shave auto smooth, shade auto smooth, RX 90, enter, move up, dun dun dun. Okay, yeah, I'm good. I am rolling like a rolling stone, like the band's the Rolling Stones. Anyway, move it up, move it side, up in the side, and all of that. So yeah, now that's good. So we're not going to edit the wheels just yet. Well, we are, but just not this exact moment. So now what we do, we click in this wheel. Now we G to move it, because then it just does this. And we're going to press like this, X to move it that way. And we're going to press R to rotate, and we're going to rotate it just like this. I'm going to move it down with this one here, like that, and then click here this way, and then you press this and you rotate it just like this. You move it like this. That's too much to rotating. That's too much rotation. Don't need too much rotation, otherwise yeah. Well yeah, in games you need lots of rotation. Such as yeah, anything. Just joking. Yep. Then do that, this, and then still do it more because it seems like it's not enough. Nothing's enough with you, digger. Yeah, it doesn't seem to like to. It doesn't move enough. Damn, that looks good. I like that. I actually really like that. You know, it looks better than I thought it would. I've done much worse than this. Yeah. So yeah, we make it like this, this, and this, and this, and this, and this. It really works well. I find it like fits perfectly. Now I move this down. Yeah, actually don't do that. Just click here, Shift D, right click, Command Z, right click, mirror, wrong one, mirror, wrong one, mirror, right one, done. And now I didn't actually do that. No actual way. Shift D, right click, mirror, right one, go down, ka-pow, 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 ka-pow. Donito. Yeesh! Let's do this. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on all these top ones. So we're gonna scroll down, look around, and click these guys. Anyways, so I'm gonna Shift D, mirror them. God damn it. Do that again. Mirror the global. Okay, good. Now we're chilling. Okay. Go back into this view and line it up properly. So this should be like the same height kind of as that. Okay, good. This looks good. This looks really good. Now we're going to add a black color to this. The reason I was making a new one is for the fact that it always should look a bit different for you to actually be able to see the difference between it. So now we click here, we click on this top face, we do this, we go E to extrude it inwards. Now we go here, we go E to extrude it inwards. Here, we go E to extrude it outwards. Check how much you extrude it outwards, we go that, we go inwards, we go that way, we go inwards, we go that way, we go outwards, we go inwards, and we go inwards like that. Like that. Now what we do, we select this line of faces, just like this without that one. So like every two we click here, same here, every two, not that one, this one, not that one. Okay, so that we like can select all of these, like this, not that one, this one, and now we click this one and this one. That was the wrong one, wasn't it? No, it wasn't actually, it was the right one. No actual way, that's kind of crazy. That's not the right one. That's not the right one either, that's the right one. Okay, so that, yep. Okay, like this, select again this, not this here, this, not that one. This is tricky because you're gonna get it very exactly. Send this, so like that. Like this, and this. Well, if you press C and then you zoom it in, you can just go this, and then you just click this, and this, and this. Right click, we move our mouse so we can look properly, and yeah, we click on this guy again, click there, do not click there. Okay, good. And now we just do like this one, doesn't really has to be exact, it does not have to be exact. And now we press ES. Yeah, that's not the right thing that I thought. You have to actually, no, wait, crap, wait, Command Z. Wait, no, that actually looked kind of good. ES. You have to press E and then S, and then you move it all inwards. Yeah, like that. And then you just click that. And yeah, that's how you make a wheel. Just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay. Anyway, done with that. We go this, we go move it over. I am a literal ninja. I am a freaking ninja. Okay, I'm a ninja. No, I'm not a ninja. Anyone leave in the comments if I am a ninja or not. Probably everyone is just going to say nope. And you're right, I am not a ninja. Well, I am a ninja in certain things. I am a good. I can do judo, by the way. I am okay in judo. I'm not the worst. I am not the worst at all, actually. No, I'm not the worst. Or am I? Yeah, I am. No, I'm not. Anyway, back to the point. I was sidetracked. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Now we go Shift D. We go this way, and we go that way, and we go this way, that way. Forwards and backwards. Okay, like that. Oh no, that is not enough. Maybe that like this. Like Shift D. We go these. Why did I do that? Because I'm actually so stupid, and we have got a literal whole end of them. Like here, just click all of these, Shift D, move them over here, right click, mirror. We do that on the X global, just like this. No, it's X global. Is it like global around the world or something? I don't know. Do not care. It doesn't matter. Anyway, it's actually not enough over there, so I'm gonna click all of these again. Not this. Just click off that, yeah, and like that, and move it over, just like this. Okay. Now I'm gonna do go to Shift D and move another one here, just like that, and rotate it a little bit like this, like, just so it has a bit of a pattern. Same for the bottom. Just move this up a bit. Of course, it doesn't have to be exact, because nothing is exact in Blender, especially with me. Nothing is exactly the same. Now we just click like this, go 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 like this. Just takes a minute because I have to fix it, because otherwise it doesn't look good, because I have to have it look good. This I can actually move a bit away. This one I can sort of move them a bit more this way. This guy can move. Yeah, this is good. Good enough. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough. Anyway, now what I do, we select all of them like this, and we do Command J. It's a crime. I know it looks like a crime, but anyway, now what we do set origin to geometry, so then it'll be in the middle, so like this, just like this. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, we have done it. Thank God. Now of course we need to do this. Click here, and we need to click on that side, and we need to click on this side. We need to extrude them down. We need to scale them just like this, just thinly, and then we use them like this, and then we press ES to scale, and we scale them outwards, and then we press S to scale, and we scale them inwards. That did not work. Anyway, now we press ES. That did not work either, so we just press E. And then, yeah, that doesn't work either. So, Command Z, Command Z, Command Z. There we go. Now what we do, we press E to extrude, and we move it downwards like this. Downward, like this, yep. Same for this guy, go E, downwards, like this, and we move it a bit more inwards so that it touches it, just like this. So, and these of course we want to make fully black, like this, like that, and like this, and like that, and like this, and like that. We assign black to the whole thing, like that. So yeah, and yeah, just like this. And we're actually going to click on this, like click on this, move it down a bit. Okay, like that. Now I press Shift D. We press mirror, and we do Y global like that. And we select both. We press Command J, and we are joined like that. Easy peasy, just like that. It's so easy to do. Now what we do, click this guy here, then we press Shift D. Now I press mirror, and we have to mirror on the Y global like this. So then we move it inwards, so it's like touching it, just like this, just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, everyone, we have done the bottom legs. So yeah, I find it looks good. So honestly, I'm proud of you guys, first of all, for so helpfully watching this video. And yes, I of course love Blender. Blender is a great software. I will always use it for CAD stuff. It's just the only software you can use for it. Like, well, it's not the only, but there's so many. But see, look, now you can turn it like this. Honestly, like, awesome. Like, it looks great still. It looks so real. So we now go Command Z to make sure it stays like that. And yep, good. I'm happy of the result. It looks really good. I'm proud of you guys for getting this far in the video and getting, I hope, by the way, if you have a hard time with it, slow it down. You can still listen to me when I am slowed down. So yeah. Anyway, sorry, my voice is a bit creaky. Anyway, my voice is creaky like Creekcraft. Yeah. Anyway, that's his name. This YouTuber's called Creekcraft, and just a joke. It's funny. Anyway, so yeah, give yourself a clap, because how hard it is to do Blender stuff. It is not easy. You have to know what you're doing to be able to do any of this stuff, because otherwise if you don't know the functions, the simplest functions of Blender, you can't get anywhere. But luckily we have done it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to click all these three and do the finale, where we join it together and we press set origin to geometry like this. And we have done it, guys. We have finished the first part, well, the second part of the digger.